How to get Game Pass link in Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search roblox.com and log into your account. After you've logged into your account, click on Create at the top. After you're in the Create section, on the left side, click on Creations. After you click on Creations on the left side, you will find Your Place. Simply click on Your Place. After you've clicked on Your Place on the left side, scroll down and search for passes and click on Passes. You'll find all your passes available. In the middle, you'll find Pass ID. Simply copy the Pass ID by pressing on Copy Pass ID. Now open a new tab. In there, simply type in roblox.com/game-pass/ and paste the pass you copied earlier and press on enter. And in this way, you will find Game Pass link from the top. This is how to get Game Pass link in Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.